everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you interrogate Trello with Notion. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome and type Trello.com and open up your Trello's workspace. After entering your Trello's workspace, you have to tap on your board. Now you have to tap on Power Ups option. Wait for a second while it is opening. And right after it gets open, you have to search Notion in the search bar. And as you can see in the right, you'll find the option of Notion. Okay, so the next step you have to perform is to open a new tab and type Zapier.com and open up Zapier's website. And after crashing on Zapier's website, now as you can see, we have opened Zapier's website. So now you have to open Zapier's table. Just tap on next and it will take you to this page. Now you have to move forward and search Trello in the search bar. Now wait a little while I'm typing Trello, and right after typing Trello, you just have to move forward and then you'll see all the options, and in these options you have to scroll down, and right down you'll find the option of card move to list. Just simply you have to click on it and it will be applied. Now wait for a while and you'll find the option of continue. You just have to tap on the continue option, just click it, and now you have to sign in to your Trello and connect your Trello with Zapier. Show some patience and wait a little. Now scroll down till the end of the page, and in the end you'll find the option allow, and you have to press on it, allow it. And now you have to tap on continue again, and after tapping on continue, it will take you to this page. And as you can see, move card to list in Trello. Now you have to fulfill all these requirements. You just have to keep refresh all the fields. And after moving forward and completing all the information done, simply have to tap on continue. Now you have to wait a little while it is processing, and after it complete processing, it will take you to this page which is about to come on your screen. Just wait for a while, and as you can see, the page is now here. You just have to tap on text trigger. Just you have to wait a little again and show some patience and wait a little. And now as you can see on your screen, you have to skip text, tap on it, and now continue with the next step. Now you have to write Notion in the search bar, so let's type Notion, and after complete typing Notion, it will take you to another page where you can set Notion settings. Now just simply choose an event in Notion. As you can see, you have a variety of events. Tap on create database items, and now you have to click on continue. As you can see, your event is added. Now tap on connect Notion and sign in. Zapier is again opening on your screen. As you can see, it's moving forward. Wait for a while it is processing. After completing processing of Notion, it will show you this page, and in this page click on select pages, and after clicking on it, it will give you these options. You just have to tap on journal or how to video tutorial as per your requirements, and then tap on allow access. And now it is authenticating, and it will take you to this page where you can connect and sign in to your Notion account. So now you can continue it easily. Just simply tap on the continue option and it will take you to the next step. And the next step is, so again you have to fulfill all these requirements and just choose the options according to your desire or your will, and then in the end you will find the option of continue. So you just have to tap on it, and after tapping it, it will take you to next page. So wait for a while I'm completing all this information. Just wait a little more, and now it's time to tap on the continue option, and now we are going to continue it. Tap on it and it will take you to this page. Now read this information carefully, and then in the end you'll find the option of text action. After tapping on it, it will automatically show you or pop up the option of publish on your screen. You just have to tap on publish and it will start publishing. And that is how you can integrate your Trello to Notion. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you liked the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can integrate Trello to Notion. Thank you for watching it.